Hello everyone, let's dive into the ROYALAXE R100 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank, and it packs quite a punch for its price point. First off, the R100 offers incredible versatility with its triple connection modes. You can switch between 3 Bluetooth channels, a 2.4 GHz wireless USB connection, and a Type-C wire connection. This makes it super easy to connect to multiple devices and switch between them using the knob on the top right corner. It's a fantastic feature for anyone who juggles between a PC, tablet, and smartphone. The switches are Gatron G Pro 3.0 yellow, and they are a highlight. These switches come pre-lubed, providing a smooth and satisfying typing experience right out of the box. The updated design includes a frosted, light-guided surface that enhances the RGB backlight, making it brighter and more consistent. The upgraded pins also contribute to a more stable and smoother feel. Typing on the R100 is genuinely enjoyable. The combination of the silky smooth G Pro yellow switches, sound dampening sheet, and tune stabilizers creates a creamy sound and feel. It's a noticeable step up from standard membrane keyboards and even some other mechanical keyboards in this price range. Speaking of RGB, the R100 comes with 22 RGB light modes, offering plenty of customization options to match your setup. You can adjust the brightness and even switch to a monochromatic light if you prefer a cleaner look. Keep in mind that the music follow mode is unavailable on Mac systems. The hot swappable design is another major plus. The keyboard supports both 5-pin and 3-pin switches, making it easy to swap out the switches without any soldering. This is great for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect feel. The keyboard includes key and switch removers, which is a nice touch. Note that it is not compatible with cherry switches. Battery life is impressive. The 3000 mAh battery provides up to 250 hours of standby time with the RGB lights off and around 10 hours with the RGB lights on. This means you won't have to constantly worry about charging it, even with regular use. Other notable features include double-shot PBT keycaps, which are durable and resistant to shine and grime buildup. There's also a switch on the top right corner to easily switch between Windows and Mac systems, and full keys anti-ghosting with in-key rollover. Overall, the ROYALAXE R100 is a well-rounded mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its triple connection modes, smooth Gatron G Pro yellow switches, customizable RGB lighting, and hot swappable design make it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.